Welcome back to our Bill of Rights series. Today we're breaking down the Seventh Amendment, the amendment that protects your right to a jury trial in civil cases, meaning lawsuits involving money, property, contracts, or damages. Before we get into it, here's a key clarification. Criminal cases always guarantee a jury because of the Sixth Amendment. The Seventh Amendment applies to civil cases, disputes between people, not crimes. This amendment was created to keep government-controlled judges from overruling the will of the people. The right to a jury trial in civil cases. If a civil dispute involves money more than $20, you have the right to a jury of ordinary citizens. Today, that applies to personal injury cases, contract disputes, discrimination cases, property disagreements, business lawsuits. For example, if someone sues you for $10,000 in damages, a civil jury, not just a judge, can decide the outcome. Why the founders fought for this. In England, powerful judges often sided with elites and ignored jury verdicts. The colonialists hated that, and they made sure America would be different. To the founders, juries were a shield against corruption because regular citizens couldn't be controlled by the government the same way officials could. Jury verdicts are strongly protected. Once a jury reaches a decision, a judge cannot simply overturn it. They can only change it if very specific legal rules allow it. For example, if a jury awards you $50,000 in damages, a judge can't just say, actually, I don't like that verdict, case dismissed. They must follow strict legal standards. This ensures that the people's voices matter. How it differs from the Sixth Amendment. Sixth Amendment, criminal cases, always a jury. Seventh Amendment, civil cases, jury granted in certain types of disputes. This distinction keeps both sides of the justice system fair and balanced. Why the Seventh Amendment still matters today. It protects Americans in injury lawsuits, discrimination cases, wrongful termination claims, property disputes, major civil rights lawsuits. If the government could eliminate juries in civil cases, it could centralize power and weaken citizens' influence over the justice system. The Seventh Amendment prevents that. The Seventh Amendment is a powerful reminder that justice in America comes from the people themselves. It ensures that ordinary citizens, not government officials, control the facts, the verdicts, and the outcome of civil disputes. Here's the Seventh Amendment word for word. In suits at common law where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Stay tuned for the Eighth Amendment.